As indicated earlier, we will use the from upload button to upload the file directly from the PLC. Once I hit the upload button, it launches FactoryTalk links, and in FactoryTalk links, since I know the IP address of the target PLC, which is 192.168.86.100, I could just select that one and upload. Upload in Rockwell World is uploading the file from the PLC to your PC. And once we hit upload, couple of things to look at in this window is it already tells you, hey, what version of firmware running inside the target PLC, which is 35, and this is the catalog number of the PLC, 1769 L24ER QB1B. We hit upload. Now it opens up the Logix Designer, Studio5000 Logix Designer, and uploads the file. Gives us the option connected to upload. The project file was not found, which was, I deleted that file earlier, so now we had to select a file to be created and we need to give it a name. By default it goes into C, users and projects folder. Documents and project folders, we'll leave it as it is. It's documents. It does create a folder by name Studio5000 here, and in their projects, this is where I'll just create trainer underscore from upload. And once we select, it will create that trainer underscore from upload file, and it will ask you, hey, create the file and upload. We say yes, and it starts the upload process. Down here you could see what's happening. Okay, that's it. Now we uploaded the file from the PLC and we are online with the controller. Thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask the questions in comments. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.